Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and I am here to unbox the September 2025 Beauty Heroes box. And this, I am filming this on September 6th, and I'm excited to open it. I tried really hard not to see any spoilers or anything, but I feel like it, because I continue to get Beauty Hero emails, like other than their initial thing, explaining like who the box is with. I think it might be, Lilafox. And I think I saw some other email that in the subject said something about an eye cream. So it's just really hard to not get the spoilers. I think somebody told me before I should have Beauty Heroes like emails funneled into some other box. Maybe I need to look into that. But let's open it. I know this is like their anniversary box. September is their anniversary every year, so it's usually, I like to think they intend for it to be a good one. So let's see. Okay, it is Lilafox. It looks like we have two products, $265 value. All right. I find Lilafox to be a very interesting company. I've definitely used several of their products over the years, and they are often like very heavily scented and can be pretty polarizing in my opinion. I loved their Ambrosia Immortalis eye cream. That was great. Probably one of my favorite eye creams ever. And then there's been like the Marshmallow Poof. That was like a acid kind of thing. And that was, no, the Marshmallow Poof I think was the moisturizer. That was a very bizarre scent. I feel like it was like lavender, but it was also, I didn't like it. And then there was the acid one, I forget the name of it at the moment, and that had an interesting smell. There's been a few others over time, so I'm interested in this. They're an interesting company. All right, it says, all right, if you know, you obsess. Lilafox is a sensorial universe where lush textures meet avant-garde aromatics, and science, sorry, my cat's pushing against my pole here, and science gets a sultry twist. This month, Alexis Rose, founder, formulator, and certified skin sorceress, drops not one, but two brand new creations. So that's cool. Two brand new products are being introduced in this box. The just launched Drippy Cocoon delivers cellular level hydration wrapped in botanical biotech. Tomato Milk Cleanser is a juicy fermented cream cleanser that smells like summer and hits like skincare nirvana. These are the first Lilafox formulas under the new L Beauty banner. I don't know what that is. They're smart, sexy, and made to be devoured. L Beauty. All right, should be interesting. Drippy Cocoon, weird name. 50 milliliters, $170. Wow. Okay. A vibrant serum concentrate designed to transform the skin's hydration response. Drippy Cocoon saturates skin in regenerative moisture while calming reactivity and fortifying barrier function. Powering this hydrating force are moss and goji stem cells, two biotech heavy hitters known to stimulate the appearance of collagen production and enhance cellular adaptability, suspended in a soothing proprietary fermented botanical matrix. A trio of mushrooms rich in beta-glucans and antioxidants helps restore dermal resilience. This serum, launched exclusively through Beauty Heroes, is deeply hydrating, unapologetically aromatic, and clinically elegant, an invitation to cellular metamorphosis and a new chapter of Lilafox formulation. They're just not, what is like the phrase I'm looking for? They're not trying to, control expectations. They're just like going for it. They're like, this will change your life. Goji berry stem cells deliver collagen boosting exosomes for skin density, bounce, and firmness. These are the featured ingredients. Moss stem cells, advanced biotech, to diminish dark spots, smooth wrinkles, and boost hydration. L Beauty blend of snow mushroom, cordyceps, and lion's mane. Mushroom powered ferment for moisture retention and resilience to oxidative stress. And licorice root targets inflammation and discoloration while inhibiting excess melanin. All right, so this is our serum concentrate, $170. Eek. That is pricey. Oh, look at that color. That is cool. I mean, it shows it on here, but I didn't realize like how cool that color would be. All right, I can smell it. It's weird. I feel like I've smelled something just like this scent before, but I couldn't even tell you what the scent is, which I know is not helpful at all. I don't know that I'd say it's a pleasant scent. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try to describe it. But anyways, I just put the serum in, I put it on, absorbed right in. Interesting scent. Can't tell you what it's made of. If it comes to me, I will tell you. And sorry, I'm tired. It's almost 9 o'clock, and in my world, I am tired. Parenting 4 children, now 7 and under, is tiring. I didn't even notice this about the box, but that's pretty, isn't it? Very cool. All right, let's learn about tomato milk cleanser. I think they had come out with this over the last month or so, and I thought the name of it was bizarre. It just didn't sound, it's just the idea of putting tomato and milk together that doesn't sound appealing. 100 milliliters, $95. All right, this is what we're looking at. Juicy, creamy, and possibly lush tomato milk cleanser is the sensorial cleansing ritual your skin didn't know it needed. This golden creme combines Lil Fox's signature L Beauty ferment with gentle fruit enzymes. Oh, there's Ava. Botanical salicylic acid and nourishing phytonutritive oils to exfoliate, hydrate, and reset the skin's microbiome. Think of it as your daily skin smoothie, loaded with fermented tomato, oats, and kombucha to brighten, smooth, and bring skin back into balance. Finish with an aroma of peppery green tomato vine on sun-warmed earth. This is science you can feel. Okay. L. Featured ingredients. L Beauty ferment of tomato fruit, oats, and kombucha. A proprietary blend of microbiome-supporting actives and fermented minerals. Tomato seed oil. Bathes skin in a supreme antioxidants and omegas, including omega-6. Black willow bark, a botanical salicylic acid that enhances pore clarity and smooths texture. Papaya and pineapple enzymes, tropical enzyme exfoliators that brighten, soften, and hydrate at once. What I want to know is how do they suggest using it? Ritual, lather onto damp skin in a circular motion and rinse with water both morning and night. Or you can do a double cleanse. Massage face with Amazon After Dark. I have that. To dissolve makeup, SPF, and the day's stress. Follow with tomato milk as a second cleanse to gently exfoliate and prepare skin to receive your favorite mists, serums, cremas, and nectars. Okay. Let's see. Is it locked? It's locked. All right. I'm very interested to see what the smell of tomato on the vine. It's like beginning of September. I wish I had eaten more fresh tomatoes this year. I never even got to like a farmer's market. This is taking a while. And we do have little tomatoes growing outside. Wow, this is taking 20 years. I feel it though. There we go. And we have these little tomatoes and they taste really good. They're super tiny. They're like red currant tomatoes. Interesting. It's like, I probably should have done 1 pump, not 2. It does smell like a tomato though, I think. I think it has that like fresh tomato scent. I'm really interested to use it on my face. I might need to go wash my face right after this video. Use some of this. It is like bedtime anyway, so I might as well. It's not, to me, it's not like a polarizing scent. That's what it looks like. So interesting. I like playing with Lil Fox products. Like I said, they're like creative, inventive. Usually the scent, let's see what Ava thinks. She's smelling it. The scent, like sensorial experience is usually like interesting, whether you enjoy it or not. It's always like interesting. Excuse me. So I am excited for this box. Pardon me. Not my best. filmed video ever with me yawning and clearing my throat, but I apologize. It does say something on the back here. Lilafox is evolving, again ushering in a new era of L beauty, a future smart, science meets sensorial approach to skincare that fuses cutting-edge biotech with sultry, transportive formulations that transcend trend and deliver multi-layered benefits that surpass conventional skincare. I don't know what that is. I don't know what L beauty is, but I'm sure I'll find out once I go on Instagram and read about it. So we have the tomato milk cleanser and the drippy cocoon serum. So it should be a fun month experimenting with these. And I'm definitely going to be excited to, like I said, go on Instagram. I love to read the guesses people make for the products for the month. Like when they do the little preview of like it's like a picture of like the products pumped out and have people guess like who it is for that month. I like to read people's predictions. And then when they announce the box, like after I unbox, I like to go on Instagram and read everyone's comments. I feel like I always learn more about the products. And then I saw they were like doing like a little video like thing with the founder. I'm sure she'll be talking about the products a lot. So if that already happened, I'll watch that when I get a chance and stuff. So I like to like consume all the information now that I finally unboxed it. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted when the next video comes out. I'm not even going to go into a whole list of all the videos I want to make, but I am starting to have a lot more time on my hands with the kids being back in school and the twins starting preschool. So I'm hoping I'm going to have more time to devote to this and maybe get more caught up with videos that I would like to be caught up on. So I would love to chat with you in the comments below. What do you think about the box? Have you gotten it? Do you like Lilafox? Do you have favorites from them? Let's chat below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to chat with you soon. Bye.